This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by importing your footage and locating the exact moment where you want a magnifying effect. Trim to that segment for faster editing. Once the clip is isolated, make sure timeline zoom is increased so you can place effects precisely. Next, tap the clip, choose Overlay or Effects depending on your version, and add a duplicate layer if using an overlay method. This gives you a separate element to scale without altering the original. Make sure playback heads line up before moving on. Now create the magnified region by duplicating the clip and applying a circular mask or a magnify effect. Scaling the duplicate up creates the zoom in. Once done, position that masked layer over the target area and feather the mask to blend edges so the magnified patch looks natural. Make sure to add keyframes for position and scale if the subject moves. This lets the loop track motion. Check transitions between frames and smooth keyframe, easing for a polished look. Finish by styling the magnifier. Add a thin border, subtle shadow, or drop vignette to read clearly against the background. These visual cues help viewers understand the zoom area. Once styled, scrub the timeline and correct any mismatched color or brightness between layers using exposure or color tools so the magnified patch doesn't stand out awkwardly. If the magnifier jitters, make sure keyframes are smooth, delete stray frames, or slightly increase the mask feather to hide micro misalignments. This fixes most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.